Diddy's lawyer quits without explanation. What's really going on? Big news is shaking up the legal case against music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. One of his top defense lawyers, Anthony Ricco, has suddenly quit, and no one knows exactly why. Ricco has been paid millions to defend Diddy, but now, just when the case is getting serious, he's walking away. This shocking move has left fans, legal experts, and the public wondering, what really happened? The sudden exit. On Friday, the big announcement came. Ricco, a major part of Diddy's legal team, was no longer representing him. Usually, when a lawyer leaves a case, they give a reason, but this time, Ricco didn't say much at all. In fact, he made things even more mysterious by keeping quiet. The only thing he told the court was that he could no longer effectively serve as Diddy's lawyer. He also mentioned that he had reasons to leave but couldn't share them because of attorney-client privilege. That means whatever made him quit must be something serious. A lawyer with a big reputation. This isn't just any lawyer we're talking about. Ricco has taken on cases that make celebrity scandals look small. He has defended some of the most dangerous criminals in history. One of his biggest cases involved Osama bin Laden's associates. That's right, he worked on a case related to one of the most well-known terrorists in the world. Back in 2001, Ricco helped one of bin Laden's associates, Mohammed O'Day, avoid the death penalty. Instead of being sentenced to death, O'Day got life in prison. That's how good Ricco is at his job. With that kind of experience, you would think Diddy's case would be easy for him. After all, Diddy is a celebrity, not a world leader involved in terrorism. But if Ricco was willing to take on cases like that, why would he suddenly drop Diddy? That's the question that has everyone talking. Did Ricco see something that made him quit? Some people believe that Ricco left because he saw court documents that were just too much for him to handle. There are reports that he received new discovery papers, which means he might have seen evidence that changed everything. One source even said that after seeing what was in those documents, Ricco wanted nothing to do with the case. People are now wondering, was the evidence so bad that even a lawyer like Ricco wanted out? Remember, this is a man who has defended some of the most serious criminals. If he can't handle what's in those papers, it must be something huge. Diddy's legal team is falling apart. When Diddy was first arrested, he quickly hired a strong legal team to fight for him. He brought in extra lawyers to make sure he had the best defense possible. But now, with Ricco gone, people are asking if others will follow. Losing a lawyer like Ricco at such an important time is a bad sign. It raises big questions. Is Diddy's case worse than people thought? Did something happen behind the scenes that scared Ricco away? Will other lawyers quit too? This situation is getting more intense by the day, and with so many unanswered questions, the drama is far from over. Diddy's sons are making things worse. As if things weren't already messy enough for Diddy, his own sons might be making his legal troubles even worse. While Diddy is dealing with serious allegations and legal battles, reports are coming out that his son, Justin Combs, has been throwing wild parties. And these aren't just small gatherings. Some say they've turned into out-of-control events. According to sources, Justin would tell property owners that he was having just a few friends over, but then hundreds of people would show up. These parties reportedly left rental homes completely trashed, and landlords were not happy. Now, this kind of reckless behavior is getting even more attention because of what's happening with Diddy. People are questioning if his sons are showing any concern for their father's situation, or if they're making it worse by drawing more negative attention to the family. And Justin isn't the only one causing problems. Christian Combs faces his own allegations. While Justin is making headlines for wild parties, Diddy's other son, Christian Combs, is dealing with something even more serious. A woman named Grace O'Mara has filed a lawsuit against Christian, accusing him of sexual assault. She says the incident happened in December 2022 while she was working as a steward on a yacht. According to her lawsuit, Christian pressured her into drinking tequila, and after she took a sip, things took a dark turn. She claims that Christian wouldn't let her leave, grabbed her forcefully, and touched her inappropriately. Even worse, she suspected that the tequila he gave her was spiked. If these allegations are true, it could mean major legal trouble for Christian. But what makes this situation even more intense is that his lawsuit is now being connected to Diddy's ongoing case. A lawyer representing Christian's accuser has publicly stated that Diddy's federal arrest is just the beginning. He even suggested that more victims may be coming forward, not just against Diddy, but against people close to him. This statement has made people wonder, could Diddy's case expose more dark secrets about his family? Diddy's sons could be hurting his case. With all of this going on, some people think that Diddy's sons might be making his legal situation even worse. Instead of staying out of the spotlight and avoiding trouble, their actions are putting even more negative attention on the family. Some legal experts believe that the drama surrounding Justin and Christian could impact how Diddy's case is handled. If the public sees Diddy's sons behaving recklessly, it could make people more likely to believe the allegations against Diddy himself. And let's not forget, Diddy's lawyer, Anthony Ricco, just quit. Could it be that he saw the evidence and realized that not just Diddy but his whole family was caught up in something much bigger? Some people believe Ricco left because he knew things were going to get worse and he didn't want to be a part of it. More trouble for Diddy. Why his lawyer's silence speaks volumes. Anthony Ricco's exit raises more questions. With so much already going wrong in Diddy's world, the sudden departure of his high-profile lawyer, Anthony Ricco, has only added more mystery. Ricco's exit wasn't just unexpected, it was silent. Instead of giving a clear reason for stepping away, he simply told the court that he could no longer serve as Diddy's attorney, and that attorney-client privilege prevented him from saying more. That silence has led to all kinds of speculation. Some people believe Ricco saw something in the legal files that made him want out immediately. If that's true, then the real question is, what did he see? Ricco has defended some of the most dangerous and high-profile figures in the world, including Osama bin Laden's associates. If he could handle cases that intense, what could be so bad about Diddy's case that he decided to walk away? Is Ricco afraid for his own safety? One of the wildest theories floating around is that Ricco's exit might not just be about legal strategy, it could be about his own safety. Some online users have suggested that Diddy's case involves more than just personal allegations, hinting at something much deeper, possibly even involving powerful figures in Hollywood. If Ricco realized that representing Diddy could put him in danger, it would make sense for him to step away quietly rather than risk exposure. Legal experts are also questioning whether Ricco's withdrawal signals a shift in the case itself. Could it mean that new evidence is about to be revealed? Could more people be implicated? With Ricco gone, the rest of Diddy's legal team is under pressure to hold things together. But without one of their strongest attorneys, the defense may be in trouble. What happens next? With Ricco out, all eyes are on Diddy's remaining lawyers. Will they stay on board, or will more attorneys start walking away? If more members of his legal team leave, it could be a sign that Diddy's case is falling apart behind the scenes. And then there's the bigger issue. If Ricco's silence means something huge is about to drop, how bad will it be? Diddy is already facing serious allegations, and if new evidence or witnesses come forward, his legal troubles could become even worse. For now, we don't have all the answers, but one thing is clear. This case is far from over, and the next few weeks could bring even more shocking twists